Welcome! If you want to enable notification sounds for the Deafen feature on Discord web using your PC, you're in the right place. With Discord's latest updates, customizing your notification sounds is easier than ever, and you can make sure you never miss that crucial Deafen alert again. Let's walk through the steps together so you can stay on top of your voice chat experience. First, open Discord directly from your browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, just head to the Discord website and log into your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see your username and avatar, and right next to them is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on it to open up a world of customization options. Inside the user settings menu, look for the Notifications tab on the left sidebar. Click on Notifications, and you'll see a list of all the different sound options Discord offers. This is where you can fine-tune exactly which events trigger a sound, so you're always in control of your alerts. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Sounds. Here, you'll see a variety of toggles for different actions, like Message, Mention, and of course, Deafen. To enable the notification sound for Deafen, simply switch the toggle next to Deafen to the On position. Once it's enabled, you'll hear a sound every time you deafen yourself or are deafened in a voice channel, making it much easier to keep track of your status. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've ensured that you'll never miss a Deafen notification again, even when using Discord in your web browser on a PC. If you want to adjust other notification sounds, feel free to explore the other options in the notifications section. Discord's updates have made it simple to tailor your experience exactly how you like it. Thanks for tuning in. Now you can enjoy your Discord sessions with the confidence that you'll always know when Deafen is active.